let's get these Oreos.
No, sweetie, we're only getting healthy foods today.
Oh,
How can I get Mom to buy me these cookies?
oh, I know.
My Friezo 3000.
So sorry, Mom, but I have to do this.
My goodness, sweetie, what is that?
I think she's frozen.
Mom, I think it worked. I have to check to make sure.
Mom's coupons.
Mom, this is your biggest coupon you've ever had.
Yes, she's totally frozen. Cookie time. Now I can get my Oreos. And Mom's still frozen. Wait, I can get a lot of cookies now. This one and let's get this one. Nutter Butters. And these cookies. Wait, what's that noise? Oh no. My Friezo 3000's on low battery. Mom's gonna be unfrozen soon. I have to do one more thing before my Friezo 3000 dies so that Mom forgets. Hopefully Mom lost all of her memory. My goodness. Oh, hey Mom. Wait, where am I? You're the one that brought us here. I don't know why we're here. We need to get out of here. You're right, Mom. Come on, let's just go check out and get all the groceries. Yes, let's go, sweetie.
Here you go, sweetie.
Thanks, Mom. I love Happy Meals. What did I get? No way. Mom, look.
I can't look right now. I'm in the middle of a traffic storm. I can't see. I'm gonna crash.
No, Mom, you gotta look. Look, I got the chicken nugget butterfly.
Oh, wow, a chicken nugget butterfly.
This is so rare. Oh, you're all mine. What? No, it's getting away.
My goodness, what is going on back there?
Get back here.
What is happening?
Mom, the chicken nugget butterfly. I have to get it.
That dang chicken nugget butterfly. Sweetie, sit down. Put your seatbelt on.
Come back here. Oh, no. Where'd it go?
I'm in traffic right now. It could be dangerous. Don't worry about the butterfly.
Mom, you don't understand. They're so rare.
I don't care if it's rare. Sit down.
I have to get him.
Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm rolling down these windows. I can't focus.
No, Mom. Whatever you do not roll down the windows. We have to keep the chicken nugget butterfly. He's super rare. Ah, there he is. Oh, no. Mom, I have to go get him. I have to.
Oh no.
Bye, Mom.
Sweetie, get back here. I'll just buy you another Happy Meal.
Man, I've been driving all over the place and I can't find my chicken nugget butterfly. If I was a chicken nugget butterfly, where would I be? Oh, I know. Probably at Walmart. Finally made it to Walmart.
How am I gonna get the chicken nugget butterfly? I need to be able to hold it.
Where are the nets at? Oh, perfect. The nets are right there. Oh, where is it? It's gotta be right here somewhere. Oh, there he is. He's right there. Oh, I got the chicken nugget butterfly.
Don't worry, chicken nugget butterfly. I know you probably don't like me, but I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna build you a huge aquarium. You're gonna love it.
Mom, I got the chicken nugget butterfly.
Oh, that's great, sweetie, but keep it outside.
What, really, Mom?
You know the rules. There can't be any animals in this house.
Dang it, why not?
They're really messy and smelly.
He's not even that dirty, Mom.
You better keep that chicken nugget butterfly thing outside.
Okay, I'll take him outside.
Don't worry, chicken nugget butterfly. I'm gonna sneak you back inside.
Oh, this is a good one. This one never gets old.
Did my belly button just eat my chocolate chip?
Mom!
Hold on, sweetie. I'm cooking dinner.
I think my belly button just ate my chocolate chip.
Oh, not this again. I'm coming. What's stuck in there this time? My goodness. I see it, sweetie. Hold on. Let me go get my tool. Now hold still. Oh, I think I see it. My gosh, this is heavy. Sweetie, where did you get this Capri Sun at?
What the heck? I didn't even know I had that in there. I know the chocolate chip is still stuck in there, Mom. Try again.
Oh, I see it. It's got to be at least 3 feet in there. I don't know if I can get it. You know what? We're calling Papa John's for this one.
No, Mom, not Papa John's. Papa John's never fixes anything. Just call Domino instead.
Hey, yes, is this Papa John's? This will be an extra large emergency. My daughter has her belly button stuck in about 3 feet of chocolate chips. We need a driver over here immediately. 30 minutes? No. I need it to be about -3 minutes. Sweetie, stay calm. They're on the way.
Sweetie, go take a shower.
Time for sleep.
No, sweetie. I took a shower like 3 days ago. I'm clean.
Look at the bottoms of your feet.
My feet aren't even that dirty.
Just go take one.
Dang it.
They're so dirty.
Okay. Oh. It's my lucky day. The shower doesn't even work.
Let me see. What the heck? I just paid the lawn care bill. Why doesn't this work?
Guess I don't have to take a shower.
We're still taking a shower. Come on.
Where are we even taking a shower at? Wait, are we going to Planet Fitness?
No, we're not going to Planet Fitness. Too intimidating.
Wait, can we go to Pearl's house? She has a bathtub.
My goodness. Go on, sweetie. Get out.
Really, Mom? This?
Here's your shampoo, sweetie. And don't forget your towel.
Mom, it's not even that clean.
It's not dirty. It's a freshwater pond. Fresh.
I think I'm just getting dirtier.
Now get your feet real good.
Let me see. I don't like today. Mom, look at what my boyfriend got me.
Oh, wow. Squidward must really like you.
You got that for Valentine's?
What did Patrick get you, sweetie?
Literally nobody got me anything for Valentine's. I didn't get a candy gram. I got nothing.
Don't worry. I'll take you to the store tomorrow and you can get the 50% off candy.
Dang it. Why not today?
No, sweetie. Too expensive. Inflation. Valentine's Day candy goes on sale after the holiday.
That's it. If nobody's gonna give me a Valentine, I'm gonna get my own Valentine. I am not going to sleep tonight without my Valentine candy. Finally made it to Home Depot. Yes.
Perfect. Wait a second. I know something better. Please tell me they have it.
Yes. I can't wait to eat this when I get home. You know what? I'm gonna eat it right here, right on this ant pile. I'm actually gonna glad nobody was my Valentine. This is what I truly wanted. I do like today.
I did not pack your lunch yet. I've been doing the laundry all morning. Here, can you pack it yourself?
Don't worry, Mom. I'll pack it with all the healthiest things.
Everything you need is in the refrigerator. I have to go outside and patch our tire because I ran over a cactus last night.
I don't like any of this stuff. Ooh, I know exactly what I'm gonna pack. All my Halloween candy from last night. I put it underneath here so Mom doesn't find out. Yes, this is the most perfect opportunity. This might not work. I need a new lunchbox. This should be big enough. Mom never lets me pack my lunch. I feel like it's missing something.
Perfect. This should get us through the car line.
Coming, Mom!
Got your lunchbox, sweetie? We gotta go now.
Got my lunchbox.
Wow, sweetie, that's a big lunchbox.
Yeah, Mom, it's filled with all fruits and salads.
I am so proud of you, sweetie, for packing your lunch. Thank you so much.
I do like today.
Mom, I gotta tell you something. Hold on, sweetie. I'm in the middle of watching this important cooking show. It's been weighing on me. It's a huge secret. It's gonna have to wait. You're just gonna have to wait. Mom, Cockloaf's not even trending anymore. Wait. This is the part I always mess up on. Oh, that's what he does. Genius, really. Well, what is it, sweetie? Here, let's sit down and talk about it. I really don't know how to tell you this. What's going on? What's the matter? It's something that, like, nobody else can relate to, and I haven't even told anybody. Did you at least tell Patrick Starr? He's like your closest friend. Oh, Mom, I didn't even tell Patrick Starr. Really, sweetie? I don't know how to tell anybody. Well, you can tell me anything. I don't know if I can tell you, Mom. Well, I think you just need to go tell somebody you trust. Tell them the truth to get it off your chest. You'll feel a lot better.
You're right, Mom. I'm just gonna go tell the whole world. I don't even care what anybody thinks anymore. I believe in you, sweetie.
A soft taco.
I'm a burrito. I'm a burrito. I'm a burrito. Yeah. You're not just 6 anymore. You're 7. Happy birthday.
What are you doing?
I'm celebrating Fred's birthday. I think you should tell Fred happy birthday.
No, that's ridiculous. What am I going to say happy birthday to the chair?
You're literally so rude. Fred is literally sitting right here.
It's nobody's birthday and there's nobody sitting there.
Don't listen to her, Fred.
You are so weird. You're literally just talking to the air.
Is that Fred? Oh, I know. She's weird.
You are the weird one.
Fred is literally right here, and it's his birthday.
Weirdo.
Don't worry, Fred. You have to blow out your candle before you make your wish, okay? Think of your wish, Fred. Sweetie, what do you think you're doing? What, Mom?
No, sweetie. This is just so ridiculous. I know, right, Mom? There's literally nobody here.
That's not what I'm talking about. Fred just needs a way bigger cake.
Mom!
You got him a cake?
See, big sis? He's real.
Wait, are you serious, Mom? You think Fred is real?
Mom!
You got him a cake?
See, big sis? He's real.
Wait, are you serious, Mom? You think Fred is real?
Of course he's real. He's sitting right there.
Oh my gosh.
Respect the birthday.
You both are crazy. You're throwing a birthday party for the air.
Fred's gonna love this.
Close your eyeballs, Fred.
Oh, my goodness. Wait. Your birthday present.
Oh my god.
Here you go, sweetie. Give it to Fred.
Mom, you got Fred a gift?
I totally forgot to get Fred a gift.
Really, Mom? You bought this for Fred, but not for me? Every time I asked for this, you always said inflation.
Sweetie, it's Fred's 6th, 7th birthday, okay? It's the biggest day of his life.
Here you go, Fred. Don't worry, Fred. I'm not mad at you. I'm mad at Mom.
From the top, who's ready to sing happy birthday, Fred?
I'm not singing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you, Fred.
I'm out of here. Ooh, I don't like today. Here you go, sweetie. Here's your after-school snack. Yay, I love Pop-Tarts.
It's the last one, so eat it slowly.
Wait, the last Pop-Tart. Save me some.
Don't worry, I'll have her split it.
Oh, I don't want to split it.
Sweetie, cut this in half and split it with your sister, okay?
Okay, I'll split it. I'm almost done wiping. Make sure you save me some. Why does this knife have poop on it? Technically, Mom just said to split it. Perfect. That's plenty for her. Mom, where's my Pop-Tart?
Oh, your tart pop's in the kitchen.
Thanks, Mom. Where is it at? Really?
You gotta be kidding me. Mom, she didn't even split it. I did leave you some. How is this even? I did tell her to split it. Yes, I did split it. You just didn't say evenly, but I did split it. I left her a lot of crumbs. Ooh, dang it. Be grateful, sweetie. I don't like today. Oop.